Hi, I'm Dan Krause, estate planning and elder law attorney, and today I want to tell a little story about a woman and her husband. The woman needed some help in her old age. But first, I just want to invite you to subscribe to our newsletter. If you'll just email us at newsletter@friendly.law, and we will get you subscribed. So I practice law in Wisconsin, and I help elders and their loving families preserve their nest egg and their life savings against the cost of elder care in later years. A typical story for me is, say, a man will come to us and say, I am at the end of my rope. I'm taking care of my spouse and I'm no longer able to do this. I don't have the strength, or I don't have the capacity, or I can't stay up all night and all day, etc. And this is not uncommon for a spouse who is caring for their uh, their spouse who has Alzheimer's or Parkinson's, or just has issues with physical capacity or aging related issues. Could be a man or a woman. In this case, the wife had Alzheimer's disease, and the husband was trying to take care of her and was at the end of his rope. Now, just an aside, oftentimes the caregiver spouse dies before the ill spouse because they stress themselves so much, and they lose sleep, and their blood pressure skyrockets. They forget to take care of themselves, and they end up dying before the person who has Alzheimer's or Parkinson's. Uh, in this case, the man came to us and said, she needs some care that I can't give her, and I'm really worried that that care is going to drive us into the poorhouse. So we took a look at their assets and their availability of care, and we made a plan that allowed them to keep all of their assets. They would have to be shifted towards the husband, and then the wife could get the care through Medicaid, through the state-sponsored program. Uh, People are not told this, and I just want to try to get the word out that um, the healthcare facilities will not tell you about this. The social workers won't tell you about this, and the government Medicaid people won't tell you about this, but it's perfectly above the board. It's something that we do all the time, and it is legal and morally acceptable. In fact, these are benefits that everyone is qualified for after paying taxes into the system. And it's something that people should take more advantage of. I want to encourage you, if you have a family member who you think is in danger of losing their life savings to long-term care, please give us a call, 608-268-5751. We'll be happy to talk with you about this. Thanks for listening. Hope you have a great day.